Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove page title in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to head over to the pages right here on our left sidebar. Now let's first add in here a page. And then on this page right here, let's just name it test page, for example. And then let's say something like, this is a test page. And then in here, let's save this progress. And then as you can see, it's been saved. Click on this view page right here in order to see what it will look like. Now on here, as you can see, this is a test page. We still have the page title. So if we want to remove it, we can head back in here on our page on a previous tab. And then you can see this icon right here, which is show HTML. Click on this one, and then in here you can see the editor. So for me, I'll just head over and then remove the first right here. Then I'll just add this first line that we have. Now let me add this. Then let's click on enter. Then let me add this second line. And then after that, let's put a space. And then let's also add all of these things right here. And then let's put this just like this. After that, this is what it will look like. So when you show the HTML, this will disappear just like this. Click on the save icon right here. And then let's head back again to our actual page and then let's refresh it. So as you can see, this will refresh the page that we have created. Alternatively, you can just head over and click on this view page right here if it is actually very slow in loading process. So as you can see, the page title has been removed and it's not visible anymore. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.